As Stalker 2, Heart of Chernobyl initially faced widespread DirectX 12 crashes on launch, manifesting as black screens or immediate game exits. These crashes were primarily due to incompatibilities between the game's DX12 implementation and various hardware configurations, especially with NVIDIA RTX and AMD Radeon GPUs. The core issue stemmed from failed initialization of the graphics pipeline. The primary solution involves ensuring your GPU supports DX12 feature level 12.0 or higher. Also, download and install the latest GPU drivers from NVIDIA, such as driver 57260+. For AMD, download and install Adrenalin 24.1+. If problems persist, try forcing the game to run in DirectX 11 mode by adding Nash DX11 to the game's launch options in Steam. By mid-2025, updates like 1.1.0 March 2025 and 1.2.0 August 2025 incorporated broader driver compatibility checks and ray tracing enhancements, making DX12 stable for most users. If basic fixes don't resolve the issue, try enabling high-performance GPU mode in Windows settings. This ensures the game uses your dedicated graphics card instead of integrated graphics. Additionally, clearing shader caches can help. Community solutions have shown success with this step, as it forces the game to rebuild corrupted cache files. If problems continue, use the DXDiag tool to check system compatibility and identify potential graphics issues. Check the event viewer for specific error codes like DXG error device removed to pinpoint the exact cause of crashes. For long-term stability, note that Stalker 2 has better error handling now, but legacy systems may still face issues. As a last resort, disable ray tracing or other advanced graphics features in the game's configuration files to reduce stress on older hardware. If you still have problems, join the Stalker 2 community forums or GSC Discord channel to discuss your specific issue and find additional fixes.